It's a point that's been made many, many times since the beginning of the pandemic, the amount of data that is being collected in different cases. We do know that at different points throughout, we've heard about healthcare institutions, about the neighborhoods in our city that are most directly affected, and demographics as well, but nothing specific to workplaces until 10 months after this all began.
With more infection prevention and control measures, with more distance and clearer lines of accountability, there is greater capacity to manage public health while businesses operate in pandemic times.
It's another move to try and track COVID in the city, requiring employers to report 2 or more cases in the workplace in the course of a 14-day period. Under the direction of Toronto Public Health, those same places will need to designate a contact person and be prepared to provide employee information if needed. At the same time, the city is now publicly identifying some of those workplaces where there is a sustained outbreak. The reports will be posted weekly in an effort to be transparent.
By informing the public, we can help to inform behavior. The data informs enhanced measures needed to keep workers safe. And by drawing attention to unsafe settings, we can hold employers and also governments accountable.
As always, enforcement becomes a key question, one that city officials say the province can help with and could be a part of other regular inspections that may be done.
A lot of this has to do with information those employers have to provide now to us, in which case, depending on what's provided, that can lead to other visits and examinations of what's going on in those places of employment.
Privacy concerns have been a main reason given for not divulging specific workplace information in the past. Data on outbreaks in specific types of workplaces hasn't necessarily been made available until now.
How bad has the problem in those specific areas been?
There are some areas and there are some workplaces that have had more challenging outbreaks. And there have been other workplaces that have gone completely unscathed, if you will, in terms of outbreak.
Now, we do know the city is reporting 16 workplace outbreaks as of today in 11 different categories. 3 of those are in food processing plants, 4 are in office spaces, and another 6 in a category that is being called other.